Hi guys, welcome, thank you for joining me. Are you guys looking for a fast charging power bank that's not too bulky and has some extra juice? Well, I have something for you. Here it is. Alright, here we go. The charge time is around 7 to 8.5 hours and it has a nice LED display to show the battery status in percentage. This power bank has high-speed fast charging up to 22.5 watts. This is what the power bank looks like, a simple and compact design. It's not heavy to carry. The design is also a non-slip grip for comfort that I can easily handle this with one hand. The 22.5 watt output plus the latest PD3.0 and QC4.0 fast charge technologies, your phone can be charged halfway in just 30 minutes. This power bank is great for having two ways for recharge, by USB-C or by micro USB. With 20,000 mAh, you won't have to worry about running out of power. You can charge many devices multiple times. This power bank has a built-in multiple protection system to protect your mobile power supply from overcurrent and short circuit. In the event of short circuit or overload, it will automatically shut down. This power bank also comes in white. Let me show you.